lang. Let's now proceed to diagnosis according to Sanfo organ patterns with the pattern gallbladder damp-cold. This pattern and gallbladder damp heat are very similar in their etiology and pathology. There can also be a progression from one to the other. The tongue and pulse will be some of the most crucial factors in differentiating between these two patterns. Now let's go to its etiology. Dampness in the gallbladder can arise when there has been an excessive consumption of fried food or food with fat content such as dairy products, fatty meat, and so on. Exogenous damp can also invade the body and disrupt the functioning of the gallbladder. Damp can be internally generated when there is Spleen Qi Deficiency. If there is liver Qi stagnation, this will exacerbate the stagnation that is caused by the dampness. The signs and symptoms. There will be yellowish colored skin, yellowish sclera, hypochondriac tension, costal pain or distension, abdominal bloating, nausea or vomiting, especially after intake of fatty food. There will be sensation of heaviness in the body, heavy headache, stiff sensation in the mouth, lack of thirst, cloudy or oily urine, loose or puddle-like stools that may be clay-colored or very pale, thick, greasy or sticky tongue coating that is either one-sided or has a wide stripe of coating on each side of the tongue. The pulse is slippery and wiry. The key symptoms here are yellow skin and eyes, tightness, pain or distension below the ribs, sticky white tongue coating. Treatment principle, we drain dampness from the gallbladder and spread qi. For the acupuncture points, you can choose from gallbladder 24, gallbladder 34, G41, spleen 6, spleen 9, Sanjiao 5, Sanjiao 6, liver 14, Danang She, the extra point on the leg, UB18, UB19, UB22, and Do9. The Midle Technique is draining. To explain the choice of points, gallbladder 24, 30, and 34, Do9, and bladder 19, drain dampness from the gallbladder and spread gallbladder qi. Gallbladder 41 and Sanjiao 5, open daimai and drain dampness from the gallbladder. UB22, spleen 6, and spleen 9, drain dampness. Liver 14 and UB18, spread liver qi. Sanjiao 6 circulates qi in all the three jiaos. Danang She is an empirical point for the treatment of gallbladder disorders. For a relevant advice, it is important to avoid consuming food that produce dampness, especially foods that are rich in fat and oil. Gallbladder damp-cold can be negatively affected by climatic influences. This means that the person should ensure that they are properly dressed and do not live or work in damp places. If spleen qi deficiency or liver qi stagnation is part of the picture, the relevant advice for these imbalances should also be followed. Gallbladder damp-cold can be caused by invasion of damp and cold, spleen qi deficiency, liver qi stagnation, and in turn can result to gallbladder damp heat, liver qi stagnation, phlegm, and blood stagnation. So to summarize, damp-cold in the gallbladder has its etiology in excessive consumption of greasy, fatty, and damp-producing foods, emotional strain that is prolonged worry, anger, frustration, and resentment. Its underlying or accompanying pathology are stagnation of liver qi, spleen qi and yang deficiency, kidney yang deficiency. The signs and symptoms, jaundice, dull yellow eyes and skin, hypochondrial pain, fullness and distension, nausea and vomiting, inability to digest fats, dull yellow sclera, turbid urine, no thirst, sticky taste, dull headache, heaviness in the body and limbs, and feeling cold. The pulse will be thick, will be slippery, wiry, and slow, and the tongue will have a thick, sticky white coating. The treatment principle, clear, damp, and supplement the gallbladder. Force liver qi, disinhibit bile if there is jaundice, and transform damp in the middle burner. For the acupuncture treatment, moxa can be used. We can use the following points. Gallbladder 24 to benefit the gallbladder and force liver qi. Run 12 to harmonize the middle burner. Do 9 to drain damp and treat jaundice. Bladder 20 to resolve damp and supplement spleen qi. Stomach 19 to subdue the rebellious qi. Liver 14 to course the liver and regulate qi. Gallbladder 34 to clear gallbladder damp. Bladder 19 to clear damp and supplement the gallbladder. And Sanjiao 6 for smooth flow of liver qi. Thank you for your attention.